Good morning, friends. In the morning session, we discuss about the chapter number 10, light reflection and the refraction. In this chapter, we discuss the sign convention for the spherical lenses. So, in this topic, as we know that all the measurement are taken from the optical center of the lens, and according to convention sign of the spherical lenses, the focal length of convex lens is positive and that of concave lens is negative. Again I repeat, the focal length of convex lens is positive and that of concave lens is negative according to the sign convention of the spherical lenses. The next one, that is the lens formula and the magnification. So here, as we know that formula of spherical mirror, that is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon, that is a spherical mirrors formula. And now this formula, that is gives relationship between the object distance, image distance and the focal length, that is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So this is the formula of the lens spherical formula. Okay, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, and this lens formula is valid in all the situation of any spherical lenses. Okay, this formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This lens formula is valid in all the situations for any spherical lenses. Now next topic is magnification. So magnification defined as the ratio of the height of the image and the height of the object. Okay, again I repeat, that is magnification M. It is defined as the ratio of the height of the image and the height of the object, and it is represented by the small letter m. Okay, so m is equal to height of the image upon height of the object. If h dash is the height of the object, and if h dash is the height of the image and h is the height of the object, then magnification m is equal to h dash upon h. Okay, now this magnification is also related to the object distance u and the image distance v. Okay, and this relation is given by magnification m is equal to h dash by h is equal to v upon u. Okay, where v is the image distance and u is the object distance. Now next topic, that is we discuss the power of lens. So this topic is very important for the board examination. You have to prepare it very well. The question is like that: explain the power of lens or define the power of lens and give its SI unit and derive the formula of the power of lens. Like this type of question will be asked in your exam. Okay, so for that we have to answer, you have to give that starting from, that is the power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. Again I repeat, the power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length, and it is represented by the capital P is equal to 1 upon F. P is equal to 1 upon F, where P is equal to power, F is the focal length. So the power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length, and it is represented by the letter capital P. Now SI unit, the SI unit of power of lens is diopter. The SI unit of power of lens is diopter, and it is denoted by the capital letter D. If F is expressed in meters, focal length F is measured in meter, then power is expressed in diopters. Okay, thus 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Okay, 1 diopter is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. That is 1 diopter is equal to 1 upon m. 1 upon m or meter inverse. Okay, 1 diopter is equal to 1 meter inverse. So you may note that the power of convex lens is positive and that of concave lens is negative. Okay, the power of convex lens is positive and that of concave lens is negative. And the instrument used to measure the power of lens is called the diopter meter. The instrument used to measure the power of lens is called the diopter meter.